The first full metal body smartphone from Samsung, and that it comes with a glossy beveled edge. Design and build. The Samsung Galaxy S5 got slammed in reviews, including ours, for its plastic build quality, and this is something which should be improved when it comes to the Galaxy S6. Rumors suggest the firm could be using graphene as a material. More likely, however, is that Samsung will continue the metal design used by its Galaxy Alpha in the Galaxy S6. Screen. It seems perfectly plausible that the Galaxy S6 will use a SuperAMOLED screen, Samsung's favored display technology. As for size, the trend is for new models to have bigger displays, so with the Galaxy S5 at 5.1 in, the Galaxy S6 could be as large as 5.5 in, matching the LG G3 or somewhere in between. Software. Samsung is making Tizen products, but it's almost certain that the Galaxy S6 will stick with Android. Google has announced Android 5.0 Lollipop, so Samsung has plenty of time to get this version pre-installed, and we expect a new version of Samsung's TouchWiz interface. Processor, memory, and storage. Under the bonnet, we think the Galaxy S6 will be powered by one of Qualcomm's 64-bit processors. Android Lollipop will support 64-bit, which have already been announced and scheduled to arrive inside devices in the first half of 2015. How convenient. Android L vs Android 4.4 KitKat comparison review. What's the difference? The Snapdragon 808 and Snapdragon 810 are the two options here, and Samsung could launch each in different markets. The former supports up to 1600 x 2560 displays, and the latter allows for full 4K. On the storage front, the phone is rumored to come in 32, 64, and 128 GB models to choose from. Samsung is likely to equip the Galaxy S6 with 3 GB of RAM. Cameras. There's no word on the Galaxy S6 camera yet, but we expect it to either be the same 16MP resolution with some improvements, or an even higher resolution, perhaps 20MP. SuperAMOLED says the firm is currently deciding between the two, but says it is likely the firm will stick with 16MP with optical image stabilization like the Note 4. Front cameras are increasingly important, and the Galaxy S6 looks set to get a 5MP shooter to match the freshly announced Galaxy A3 and Galaxy A5.